Beautiful plumeria in bloom, frangipani.
There's a little crab inside the shell.
Try to get this new place called Run Sushi Run here in Aguadilla. Got the seaweed salad, miso soup, some tuna rolls, garnishes, and spring rolls. Buen provecho! Alright, well today we're at Punta Ostiones in the Belvedere area of Cabo Rojo to spend some time at the beach. Well, we just had a nice time here at Punta Ostiones in Cabo Rojo. It's a nice little place because you can get into some coves and watch the boats floating by with all of the oyster shell sand beaches, which is why they call it Punta Ostiones. It's starting to rain, so we're going to get going, but it was a nice day out. Beautiful, beautiful weather. Beautiful bulbs on the Christmas palm. Look at the bananas. Beautiful house surrounded by flamboyant. So we're here at Walgreens to get a few things. Some stores won't allow babies in, so it kind of makes it difficult to go shopping if you're a single parent or alone, or if you just want to go shopping as a family. But here at Walgreens, I think they do allow for kids to come in, so we're going to go get a few things. We've had enough rain these last few days that our quebrada, that doesn't always have water in it, has some. And now we're gonna plant some plants.